this camp in Sardis Cove, and it's a beautiful place out here. It's peaceful and it's quiet, no one around, and there's no COVID here. No COVID-19 I would recommend, I don't think, because it must be a half a mile to the next person around us.
We brought this RV out here. We have our truck. We've been out here since last Monday. This is where we spent Thanksgiving. We actually had the boat out here, but the fish weren't biting, so we decided we'd take the boat home. So we took the boat back to Kingston. This is Sabbath afternoon, and we've just been messing around resting. We did take a ride out around the lake, and we decided that we're probably going to take the RV back to Johnson Creek tomorrow. Not too sure about that, but we're working at it anyway. We're not sure what we're going to do. We're just doing what we take a notion to. We hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. We didn't eat no turkey this Thanksgiving because our kids was all spread out and we were spread out, and we got up here by ourselves, and there's just one other camper up here in Sardis Cove, and they've been here for about a month and a half, so they said. The husband is deer hunting and the wife is sitting at the camper, I guess. But anyway, the host hasn't been here either. I guess the host has been off for Thanksgiving. You can see Leon and the little dog down there. They've been playing ball today. So anyway, I guess I'll shut this off, go in the house, get a bite to eat.
We met a couple a while ago by the name of G, and they have a real estate company up here. So if you need any land up here around Sardis, you need to go see the G Realtor or call them. They have land on both sides of Sardis, and they'll help you get you the land you want. If you like this video, punch the button, ring the bell, and subscribe, and we'll make you another one.